Hello guys, this is DylanLim03 here, and today I'm gonna be doing a toy review, and this is my first review on my channel, so enjoy this. So today we got Marth, as you can see there, Dairanto, Smashy Brothers, Marth, Amiibo, and supposedly here in the US it's discontinued, so I bought it from Japan to have. So let's open him up. So I actually already opened him up and trained him, but I just put him back in the box for you guys to see. But so leave him there. Put this back together. Put this off to the side. So here we have Marth, and as you can see, his body is pretty nice. His face is pretty decent compared to others. Let's back it up and then zoom in. So then, as you can see, his face is pretty decent. And his sword was straight when I first got him, so it's kind of bent a little. But his face is pretty decent compared to others. It's not as ugly. I would say it's one of those good. I think I got a good Marth. But yeah, so he has a cape, and I noticed there's like tinted kind of black marks here to go with shadows kind of thing, like a shadowy kind of feel to it. And it's a matte finish, so let's put it back in focus. Okay, so then I see a little, but I'm just being picky, paint scratches, as you can see. As you can see there, and some paint scars over there. But other than that, oh, actually, here's a little out of place belt there, but other than that, he's pretty good. So, if you really want it, I'd say go get it. But if unless if you really want him, you should get it. But if you're a Nintendo Amiibo collector, you might want to get it, but you want to find the cheapest way to find him. And the cheapest way I got him was basically on eBay for $30. So 360 view. So that's his body, and then here is the bottom. And notice other compared to other Amiibos, bottom it says intelligent systems. So, cause Marth is intelligent, you know. But yeah. So that's my review of Marth. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.